Remember late nights cruising and wasn't nothing to it. Flicking up the shit, we about to make a movie. Pouring up a cup, we about to set the mood in the cup, rolling up, smoking something groovy. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. Got somebody that you love and well, oh well. Faking innocence and I won't tell.
Good morning. We are in St. Martin. This is actually our second day. Our first day was pretty chill. We just came, you know, had dinner, chill by the late lunch, dinner, chill by the beach. And yeah, y'all, all the men here so bad. But anyway, what are we doing today?
Today we are going to Anguilla. We were the first to arrive.
Yes,
no, we don't play with time.
No, because we're not gonna get left.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we're about to get some breakfast
at this little cafe. Ira was risen up our taxi driver with her French. Anyway, we'll keep you guys updated. We're gonna get some food and yeah.
It's 3 a.m. I just touched down. Wanna call me to buzz down. It's love over lust now. I don't know who to trust now. Tell me.
Y'all, we made it on the boat. We're in the room. So we're on the boat right now. Look at the water. It's so pretty.
Wanna call me to buzz down. It's love over lust now. I don't know who to trust now.
What Beyonce say? When the water's so blue, so blue. Y'all, turn it around. It's going so fast. Oh my God. It's really going so fast, y'all. It's like, y'all, it's going so fast. It's going too fast. It's like a roller coaster, but it's fun.
Show with me mass shade. All this ducking and dodging, your ops in the wavelengths. You negative headspace. That version of me that you thought that you knew had been newly updated. I'm activated. Whatever they on, oversaturated. I'm the cure, my intention is pure. My life been a blur, yes sir. Yeah. I've been stitching my wounds and flipping my tunes, reversing my curse.
So we made it to our first location, you guys. But we're not getting off at this beach because they just left us in the middle of the ocean. Not really. They said swim and we want to go it. And we just not going there right now. So we're about to take some pictures. Y'all, we made it to Anguilla. It's dark, but yes, y'all. Which one of y'all came and put the flag here? Because why is the Maryland flag here? That is crazy. What we see? Come on, Maryland. Her. They got some other schools all around, but that's not what we came for. They play good music. They play Afrobeat, and then they put their little Caribbean twist on certain songs. And you know what? I love that for them. So you guys, there's a barbecue going on. So the music, like we said, is jumping. We try to find a place to take pictures.
I wrote it in braille, never stale. I spoke it in cursive. I'm not from where earth is. The features ethereal. The ancestors surging through veins. I've been curving and purging all person in places and things that don't serve me. My hands on the cloud, my feet where the turf is. That's perfect. On God, yeah, I'm activated. Control, burning down trees. Big shot out my ashtrays. Never empty, I'm litty. I've been painting the city. Still painting the city. It's 3 a.m. I just touched down. Wanna call me to buzz down. It's love over lust now. I don't know who to trust now. Tell me who can I trust now? Hey.
You guys, so we had a time in Anguilla. We haven't talked to you since coming back from Anguilla, but Anguilla was so fun. After we got back, we showered, chilled. I read my Bible because I just finished reading it. And now we're at dinner at some nice steakhouse. Y'all, look at our dinner. I don't know what all the extra stuff is though. Good morning, you guys. Another day in St. Martin. Today we're going to St. Barth's AMA. Oh, y'all, so we made it to the boat on St. Barth's. This feels a little different than yesterday. Like, we are inside. Yesterday we were outside filling all the fields. But they did say this one's gonna be worse than yesterday. Rate yesterday's boat ride, Ira.
Honestly, for fun,
it was fun.
It was fun. It was like 11 out of 10 fun.
It was fun.
But it was a little scary.
I would rate the scary.
Okay, scary, I would say like maybe like a 6 out of 10. It was almost like a roller coaster.
It was like a roller coaster.
But everybody made it feel like it was calm.
I feel like if you know when you're at the back of a boat, if you were at the back of a boat, we probably say it was like a -2.
Yeah.
Because they got splashed. But people switched with them and they enjoyed it. But I would have enjoyed it. But yeah, I'm nervous about this one, but I'm like, how bad can it be? So we'll see. So we'll keep you updated. Y'all know. Yeah. So we're on the road. Hold on. The waves are waving, but it's like a roller coaster. And right now I have a good time.
Yeah. Okay, it's fun, but
it is fun.
That last splash was crazy.
It was, and yeah. Look at the window. It's wet, and they moved over because it's wet. But I'm having a good time, y'all. Woo! Hey, Brian.
Thank you.
Like seriously.
Happy she said that. I'm glad I wore a bathing suit.
Look, moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets that taught me, moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets that taught me, I'm just trying to get my nigga paid. We came from Section 8, and I knew I was at since the 2nd grade. Man, I swear my time is coming, cause I'm never late.
St. Barth's or whatever. Yo, yesterday, I don't know if we told you, but we didn't get a stamp in Anguilla. I don't think we told y'all. But yeah, we didn't get a stamp in Anguilla, but we just got a stamp in St. Barth's. Anyway, we're just about to cruise the town or the island. And we have lunch reservations at Nikki Beach at 12:30. It feels good. It's nice. It's hot. I'm loving it. All right, y'all. So we just came from this shop called Goldfinger. Oh, hold on.
Oh,
it's okay. I'm just vlogging.
We're vlogging.
Thank you. You're vlogging? Yes. Hey.
I don't understand your generation.
Honestly, I wouldn't either. I really wouldn't either.
Yes.
Give me your phone.
And I should have gotten that interaction on camera. But yeah, we just met this lady. So she was like, do you want me to take a picture, y'all? We were like, no, I'm just vlogging. And she said, vlogging? But I think she said blogging. I don't understand.
Yeah, she did.
She said vlogging. I don't understand your generation. That's okay.
Wait, you want to get a crepe?
Where do you see it? Oh yeah, and then she said I got the most ridiculous nails. I know. All right. What you mean by that? But
on my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now. I feel amazing. I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time. That's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real from the app, better pay out. Spending time wind down, what is take out. And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we on never fade out.
Fade out, fade out. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby, say please and thank you, cause your lover stayed down.
y'all, so we made it to Nikki Beach, but let me tell y'all, as we were walking, well, initially the first time we were walking, we had asked this lady for directions and she gave us directions. And we caught up to her again as we were walking. She was in traffic and she gave us more clarifying directions on where we're going. And then like 2 cars after that, someone was like, where you guys going? And we were like, oh, Nikki Beach. And they said, well, we're going that way. Hop in. And we hopped in. And now we're here. We got here 5 minutes before our reservation. Our reservation was at 12:30 and we got here at 12:25 and it's now 12:31. So we are seated. The views are viewing. Kara's right here.
Okay, taking over on this vlog. Today has been an adventure. And like we were wondering, oh my gosh, is it gonna be like Anguilla? Like it's gonna be fun, but it's a whole different vibe. Like it's given expensive. We did what did we do? We said we're gonna do window shopping, but I ended up buying stuff. Yeah. What else did we do? Yeah, we were walking. We didn't know what we like. We knew it was gonna be long. But we know it's gonna be like that. Like, and we were asking someone from directions, and then this lady's like, "Girls, please get in." I was a little scared. I had to say prayer. Okay. And then we went in, and they dropped us off right in front of Nikki Beach, and we were like, y'all, like the views. I'm like, this is what the celebrities be doing on a regular. I love it. Oh my gosh. So we just finished eating. We both had the same exact meal, but I'll give it 8 out of 10. But I finished it because I was hungry. I was real hungry, and yeah.
Y'all, we're leaving St. Barths. How was your trip?
It was fun. It was a lot more fun with yesterday, but
It was. We were just chilling, and now we're back on the boat. Fingers crossed that everything goes well. And fingers crossed in Jesus' name, amen. Alright, y'all, so it was blurry. Wait. So we got back from, where did we go today? It's blurry. Focus. So I think, yeah, this is good. So we got back from St. Barths. We actually chilled by the pool for a little bit, and then we took a shower, got ready, got all cute for dinner. We're at Jack's Steakhouse right now.
I lead a past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation cause your love has stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame.
Life is what you make it. I feel like amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places.
Alright, y'all, so it was another day in St. Martin. I haven't really done the best of vlogging today because, y'all, our driver has been late. We had reservations at the Rainbow Cafe, which the food was 10 out of 10. Literally, that's the best food we ate so far. We got a pina colada and a double smash bacon cheeseburger. It was so good. But initially, our reservation was at 1. It was in the back. Our reservation was at 1, and then our driver said he would be here at 12:15. We did not get into the car till 12:53 p.m. So we changed our reservation time because we weren't gonna make it, but the food was so good. And now so then we came back, chilled by the pool a little bit, and now we're headed to Topper's Distillery. He said he was gonna be here. Initially he said 4:15, changed to 4:30. Era, what time is it?
4:34.
Have we heard anything? No. So we're about to go downstairs and eat. It is the Topper's Distillery on time. They're not playing with us no more. I mean, kind of, but whatever. It's really cute in here, y'all. Really, really cute. We got some nice little souvenirs, a really cute keychain. Say hey. And then they have complimentary rum punch. Oh, you guys, so we just finished a little or whatever. We are, waiting. They're doing something, cooking. And so we're just in here chilling. This is what it looks like. Scope the scenery out.
If you wonder why do I like to call this the magic kitchen, so we're gonna go put that off still, no worries, yes. Okay. And this place really smells like heaven, you know.
I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit that I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase, nobody see my face. I was chasing at the paper, been all it for the ways. But everything again, ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules, I've been making moves. With everything to prove, now it's going how I see it through my lens. But it's stuck in my head, I can't seem to get away from it. I went out of my way, I'm trying to feel the eye again. I've lost somewhere in my...
Okay, that's the video. Let me take the picture with the flash on. I don't. Oh yes. Hold on. Let me put the flash on.
I think if you stand here and take the picture from there is better because you see the light.
Also, see yours better.
Oh, the camera's blurry. I took a picture.
Hold on. Okay, that was flash, right? Yeah. Okay, no flash. I don't think no flash would be nice, but. Okay, put it in the bucket, put it in the bucket, put it in the bucket. Everyone was staring, but.
We just picked our lobster. We got a 4.75 ounce lobster, which y'all saw. And y'all, it was flapping its tail. We were screaming, and there's no shame in our game because the lobster was bucking at us and we won't like it. It's 9:07 and we just got our food. We've been sitting here for 2 hours. Y'all, let me stop playing. But it's 9:07. We just got our food. Literally just got our food. Looks good. Oh yeah, girl. Hey y'all, so we finished. Oh man, we should record it. The place before they took it. Y'all, I'm so tired. Look at my eyes. Lobster was good, you know, it was really big.
Anything